is Bishop Store Junction. This is the building. This is the building with 10 shops, 10 lock-up shops. This is the lock-up shops. This is the building. This is the entrance of the building. This shop is part of the building. This is the building. This is it. This is about 10 car park. About 10 car park. This is the back. This is the back. This is the back of the building. Very huge. This is the building. Very massive. A total of 39 rooms. The enough compound. This is the security house. This is the staircase, as you can see. This is the ground floor. POP everywhere. All rooms POP, water heater, kitchen cabinet, wardrobe. All the whole rooms. We are going upstairs. This is the first floor. This is the first floor. This is the first floor. It's a hotel standard lodge, an apartment. It's a hotel standard apartment. All the rooms has a luxury POP, water heater, kitchen cabinet, wardrobe. We're going to the last floor. POP. It's POP. This is it. A total of 39 rooms. Exclusively designed for working class people. Compound has an increased floor, as you can see, with a CCTV camera positioned right around the building. This is it. This is it. See the road. The Bishop's Court roundabout. This is the popular roundabout, Bishop's Court roundabout.